Hang up in my face now. Hang up in my face now. I told you this thing is poison and there's some kind of chemical on here. And you hung up. No, I cannot. You hung up in my face and I don't appreciate it. We spend too much money down here, period.
Okay, I'm trying to help you, sir.
You're not trying to help me because when I told you the food was wrong, you act like it wasn't. I know what I tasted when I put it in my mouth, it was burning. And I had to spit it out, and I told you something was wrong with it. And you act like you did not care, and I asked for a refund. Well, I can't get no cash refund. Number one, we didn't use cash, we used a card.
Okay. I'm only a manager, sir. I ain't allowed to.
Yeah, that's what you're here for. I managed food for 15 years.
That's right. Did you work for Applebee?
I did not, but yes, at the same time, when I told you this thing, it tastes like it's poison, you act like it didn't care. Sorry, don't fix it.
I would be happy to make you another.
Like I said, I don't want y'all to fix anything else for me. If somebody tastes this right now, because look at this. I only gotta get to one bite. Here's the bite I took right here. Then I had to spit it out, which is this right here. If somebody tastes this, they're going to say the same exact thing. Whatever they're doing in the back, they need to fix it. And don't play with folks' food like that. So don't hang up in nobody else's face. And when I call down here, don't you never hang up in my face again. Thank you.
Anybody, sir.
No, it's just like